Hey guys, so if you have a business page and you're struggling to change the name of it because you registered it as an LLC and you do need to put that on the business page, this is how you get it done. Make sure you follow for more content. Okay, so you should be already logged into your business page. That's me down in the corner. So hi, I'm Dominique Nash. What I want you to do is click on the actual icon that looks like a tool. Yes, that's settings. Once you get to settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you see page setup. Yep, it's right there. And when you click on page setup, then you can actually change the name, change the page access, page management history, and so on and so forth. Make sure you know your actual Facebook password to your profile so you can actually submit this change. Follow for more.